Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an Italo review haul and unboxing. If you guys been watching my channel, you guys know I've done a lot of Italo jewelry hauls because I genuinely love their jewelry pieces. They have such amazing, great quality pieces. So if you guys have never heard of Italo, I'm gonna quickly talk to you guys about Italo jewelry and then we're gonna move on to the pieces that I picked up. Italo jewelry is about really beautiful pieces at affordable pricing. Usually pieces like this are always expensive everywhere you go, but their prices are actually super affordable for what it is because that is what they stand for. They want to bring us really beautiful pieces at affordable prices, and I really love the fact that all their items are handmade. It says on their website, I'm gonna read some of the items to you guys. It says expert designers, craftsmen, and production teams at Italo Jewelry are adept at developing original concepts or combining mix of styles from fine jewelry collections. Whatever your desire, Italo Jewelry will create the one you want with any head, crown, style, stone, or color combination. There's no limitation, just endless options. Exemplary quality service. They do also have a video and they show you how they do the rings handmade. Each piece is meticulously handcrafted by our artisan jewelry design team with keen attention to detail and style. They do have a streamlined supply chain that delivers amazing jewelry directly from manufacturing floor to wherever it's being delivered. No matter what you purchase, it will always be free shipping. You do have a 1-year warranty. You also have a 60-day return policy, no questions asked. And of course, this is a legit website, so it's 100% secure. I want to mention that they are having a Memorial Day sale. So let me show you guys the packaging and how it comes in. I really love it. I like how they package it up in this cute little bow. It does say Italo Jewelry. It's in this box. It's ready to go if you're giving this as a gift. It is perfect. Here is how it looks on the inside. I'm going to quickly show you all the items that they give you before I show you the jewelry pieces because I do think that is important. So first off, they do give you this silver polishing cloth, which is really nice to make sure you polish your jewelry because these are made with sterling silver, and if you guys don't know, silver does tarnish, but you can polish it up and it will look like new. I've had my Italo jewelry for years now and they haven't tarnished on me though, but I do keep them enclosed in a jewelry organizer. It will last you a lifetime, but I always keep these either in my bag or I have them in my desk just in case I have to clean them. They do also have a membership program. It is free to join. It's just like their little program. You get the benefits of getting a 500 points as a welcome. You do earn points that turn into rewards. You can redeem the points for dollars and get exclusive discounts and offers. Next off, they do have the 60-day return policy. So if you're not 100% happy with your purchase, you can return it, no questions asked. Also have a 1-year warranty. It has this a 925 sterling silver certificate letting you know that this is 100% sterling silver, so you don't have to worry about it. It does have like the test requested, which passed for sterling silver. Pause it if you like, if you want to read it. Also comes with this jewelry care guide, so it lets you know how to take care of your jewelry, how to clean it. It comes with this little thing right here, so if you want to put your jewelry in here, it comes with this cute little baggie. Let's move on to the jewelry piece that I picked up this time. First off is this right here, and I really love how it comes in. Let me show you guys how it looks. So I got two and it looks like that, and then they give you a box for each jewelry piece that you purchase. It looks like this, and this is the first one that I picked up. It is stunning. I absolutely love this. I got both of them in the size 6. One thing I love about Italo jewelry, their jewelry pieces are just so classy. This one, they call it the Italo Classic Oval Created White Sapphire Engagement Ring. It is on sale right now for $108.73. Basically, it has white sapphire that goes along right here and around, even around the bigger sapphire. It has like little sapphires right here and on the inside right here. I'm telling you, the attention to detail is everything. It does have like the beautiful big stone sapphire right here with the sterling silver. I really love this. It is so pretty, really nice statement ring, and you can use this as an engagement ring as well because these are affordable. If you do not want to spend thousands of dollars on engagement rings and you just want to get like a really nice beautiful piece that looks like real diamonds but they're way more affordable and at the same time they will last you a lifetime, highly recommend that you try out Italo. I do want to mention that on top of it, it does have a rhodium, they call it a rhodium on top, which does give it a platinum appearance. This is 5 carats, so it's really big. I really love this. I wanted something like this where I can stack with my other rings. It is so beautiful, and the shine on it is amazing. The quality is so good. I absolutely love that. Look at the shine on that. That is stunning. You could definitely use this to stack it up with other band rings if you like, but definitely one of my favorite pieces from Italo. Is just very classy but elegant, and the 5 carats just gives it that statement. Next ring that I picked up is this one right here. So this is with blue sapphire, and look at that beauty. It is beautiful. This is how this one looks. I'm gonna put it on this one right here, and I absolutely love it. This has been on my wish list. I think she is stunning. It is really huge. Like, look at these together. It is so big. This one, they call it the micro pave cushion cut created blue sapphire engagement ring. It is $145.95. Is 6.79 carats. So this has the blue sapphire. The big stone is blue sapphire, and the rest of the little stones going around the band is white sapphires. These sapphire stones go throughout the whole ring right here, and those are white sapphire. Again, it's sterling silver with rhodium finish, which gives it a platinum look to it. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that shine. I love it. If you guys love glamour and just really beautiful, classy pieces that you can wear for a lifetime, definitely recommend them. They're just so pretty and elegant, and I'm just here for it. It is amazing. I just love that pave cut. It's just really pretty. Pave is one of my favorite cuts. I'm debating on wearing these together. Please let me know what you guys think. But I actually put these together earlier, and I thought they look stunning. Look at that. You can definitely wear these together. Look at that statement. It looks like these rings belong together. Like, you can, I don't know. I'm debating on wearing these together because they look so beautiful on. But of course, you can wear them by itself because they are a statement on its own. But I just thought these together look so pretty. And with Italo, they have like the most gorgeous, like glamorous, beautiful sparkly pieces that will last you forever, and they are just beautiful. This has like sapphires all over the ring. It does have the blue sapphire right here, and then has the white sapphires going on each side of this ring. So it does have it on this side, has it on this side, it has it on this side, and it goes throughout the whole ring. It has little sapphires over here going around here, even inside here. Like, this whole thing is covered in white sapphire. There is not one part of this ring where you can see the metal. You can only see the sapphires everywhere. So it's really nice and beautiful. It's very sparkly. And if I didn't mention, each of their rings do have the stamp 925 on the inside right here. She is beautiful. I love this blue sapphire. They are just beautiful. These two rings in general are just gorgeous, and I am planning on wearing them like this, but then again, like I said, I might just wear them together because I think it looks beautiful and they're so comfortable. One thing I do want to mention as well is the fact that they're very nice and comfortable. They don't hurt my fingers. They're really nicely polished as well. You could tell that they are great quality. Even the top right here, I do want to show you guys, even the top right here has little white sapphires. It is gorgeous. So that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I always enjoy and absolutely love doing Italo jewelry hauls and unboxing because I am never disappointed. I've been working with Italo jewelry for years now, and every time they send any jewelry pieces from me, every time I open it, I get that, you know, that feeling. You guys know what I mean, when you're so excited you cannot contain yourself. That's how I always feel when it comes to their jewelry pieces. They are the best. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know which one was your favorite. I'll also leave the coupon codes down below as well. Make sure you use that to save some extra cash. I would definitely recommend that you check out their website to see other jewelry pieces that they have. They have such a wide variety of blue sapphire. They have a wide variety of anything you're looking for, anything your heart desires or or imagines, they have it. They are like a jewelry lover's dream. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're still watching, you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now. And until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.